Today, let's take a look at this budget-friendly mechanical gaming keyboard. So this is the Royal Kludge Rk61, and it can be used both as a wired gaming keyboard or a wireless keyboard for your typing needs. It's a 60% keyboard which is compatible with both Mac and Windows operating system. Other than the keyboard, inside the box you will find the user manual, a keycap puller, and its USB Type-C to Type-A cable. The first thing you will notice is that its base is very heavy and sturdy, and it's just a plastic build, but it really feels very durable. There's no flex if you try to flex the keyboard. At the back of the keyboard is its USB Type-C port, and at the bottom is the on and off switch for Bluetooth mode. On each corner you will find rubbers to help it keep from slipping while you're using the keyboard. The reason why I'm doing this while the lights are turned off is for you to see its RGB feature. It has a total of 17 lighting effects, which you can toggle or change by pressing on the function plus the / key. You can choose effects in which the keys or the lighting of the keys respond to your typing. You can choose on random lighting effects or breathing effect. It also has a static if you don't really want flashing lights while you type. As for its switch, they used Hoano Red Switches. It's a linear switch with no bump if you press on the key, and it's very light, and each key press is actually fast. As for its sound, let me show it to you in this video. As for its wireless function, it's very easy to pair. All you have to do is press on the function key plus the Q or the W or the E keys. You have to hold it and wait for it to blink, which means it's ready to pair. So yes, you can assign it for 3 different devices all at the same time. It has a 3-hour charging time, 10 hours of battery life, and 360 hours of standby time. If you want to customize its lighting, turn on its gaming mode, or choose the default function of its keys, you may download its software at their website rkgaming.com. But let me warn you, majority of the site is in Chinese, so you really have to try 3 different download links to see which software there will work for your computer. So far, this is one of the best budget 60% mechanical keyboards out in the market. It retails at 1,800 to 2,500 pesos. You can search on it at Lazada or at the FB Marketplace. Thank you guys for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.